everyone. I'm Shweta and this is Archana. We both work at Coldwell Banker Platinum Properties. We are here realtors in Irvine serving the whole of Orange County.
And today we are going to talk about buying versus renting.
All right, so there are definitely a lot of benefits to home ownership. 65% of the Americans are homeowners here. Home ownership is a big part of the American dream. As you know, there are a lot of benefits in renting and as well as buying. It all depends on which stage of life you're in and how,
What are your priorities?
what are your priorities? That's right. So Archana, why don't you talk a little bit about, some of the benefits of home ownership?
Yeah, so I think when you think about home ownership, one of the benefit is you get to build your equity. You slowly save towards your retirement, and when you're retired, you don't have to pay the rent. So it really depends where you want to start, how big, how small you want to go. But one of the major thing I feel about owning a home is you can personalize, you can customize your home. You can connect with the community thinking about long-term benefits. Also, your money is you're slowly saving towards your equity, and when you want to sell, you can just definitely take out your money as needed. The other part of home ownership is the stability it brings. When you buy a home, you try to mingle with the community, you build relationship, and that brings more stability in your decisions towards your life. That lot of decisions are dictated by the location where you live and the neighbors and everything.
Also, it's that you're not dependent on the mercy of your landlord because they may decide to sell anytime and you may land up moving more frequently than you wish to. So that's why homeownership brings a lot of stability. It also helps in deducting of your taxes.
Yes.
That's one of the primary benefits where you can deduct your interest payments from your income, and that's a huge tax saving. As we know in California, we pay a lot on taxes. This is some benefit that you can use is buying a house and having interest payments being deducted from your income. With renting, you cannot do that.
Yeah. So Shweta, do you want to talk about renting?
Yeah, so with renting, with home ownership, it's more stability. With renting, you're more mobile. So whenever you want to move from one place to another, it's very easy, and you don't need so much of upfront cost. You just need maximum of 2 months rent payment, and you're ready to go into the house that you want to, as long as you have a good credit, of course. Now, you are not responsible for a lot of expense maintenance. So like if your AC goes bad, as a homeowner you would be spending a lot to fix it, but as a renter you just pretty much call up your homeowner or your landlord or your maintenance company and tell them, hey, you need to fix the AC. So there's a less worry on that part. You are not bothered by the ups and downs of the real estate market because you're just paying a flat amount per month. It doesn't really bother you.
Yeah, and I think it brings some of the convenience of enjoying the location, and you can always change it when you want to based on your job or things like that.
Yeah, and I think whenever you're moving into a new community or like from a new city, you want to definitely rent for some time before you buy.
Yeah.
Because you're more familiar with the neighborhood before you buy, not just moving with a blind eye and saying, okay, this is where I want to buy. You always want to rent before you buy into a particular community because it brings you stability.
And especially that's true with the Orange County. As we all know, the sticker price is so big that if you are planning to buy and you're a first time home buyer, it is more wiser, and if you have time and you have patience, it's better to rent short term and then study the neighborhood, make friends, and then you will have a different perspective in buying.
Yeah,
So,
and then you are aware of what are the expenses that underlie as a home buyer, and you're not like, there are a lot of hidden costs as a homeowner, just not just your mortgage, interest, insurance. There's always some maintenance that comes up as a homeowner, and you will be more aware of it if you have been a renter before. However, if you wanted to rent or to buy in Orange County, we are here to serve you. Please message us and like our YouTube video down below, and we would love to connect with you.
thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.